On this video, we travel from Charlevoix Marina on Round Lake through the pass to Oyster Bay on Lake Charlevoix. After 6 nights in Charlevoix Marina, they finally kicked us out. Another boat was coming in with reservations, so we headed out to anchor in Oyster Bay in Charlevoix Lake. The first day and night the weather was beautiful. The next 2 nights we had gale force winds and swarms of mayflies. Wait till you see the videos. Welcome to Freebird on the Great Loop. This is Freebird. She's a 56 Carver Voyager and our home port is in Chattanooga, Tennessee. We are Ed and Maureen. We hope you will join us as we travel around the Great Loop on Freebird. The first day, we took the dinghy out to go see the remains of sunken ships. Oyster Bay is a graveyard for old ships. The water is so clear, you can see the bones of the 2 ships right from the dinghy. Oyster Bay is lined with beautiful homes and some older cottages. The pine trees made the shoreline very scenic. We watched as homes around the bay prepared for the gale force winds. Some moved their boats. We had nowhere to go as our next reservation was not for a couple of days, so we had no choice but to ride it out. Prepare for the high winds expected through the night. Ed let out more anchor chain. We also set our anchor watch app to wake us up if the anchor started to drag in the middle of the night. At this point, we were starting to get lonely. Why are we the only people out here? Of course, the winds became worse as the sun went down. We had a pretty rough night and did not sleep very well, but the anchor held, so we were happy about that. The next day, it was a little bit overcast, but boats kept coming out and coming out. There were a lot of beautiful boats to look at. It was the weekend, so people were going to come out. One of the largest boats was Ziggy. We had a lot of fun watching as they pulled all their toys out. In the morning, we had thousands and thousands of dead and dying mayflies to clean up. The second morning, it was so bad it was like a sea of flies. There were piles of them to blow off and vacuum up. We just couldn't believe it. We hate to end on a bad note, so we'll leave you with this beautiful scene. It's only a couple of nights that we had it rough. All the rest of the time in Michigan was absolutely wonderful.